Am I sitting up straight? Tell me if I start slouching.
Question number 1, who is TruAudio?
Who is TruAudio?
TruAudio is a manufacturer of in-ceiling, in-wall home theater and outdoor speakers. We've been in business for over 25 years.
I look at it as product design, our dealer experience, and our dealer relationships. I think all three of those make TruAudio who they are.
So TruAudio is about people. It's about dealers, it's about our partners, it's about our distributors, and it's about the people that are here that support you. We make great products, we make reliable products, but it's not all about that. It's about how we deliver them and how we support our accounts.
Why does good audio matter? I bet that means things to different people.
Good audio brings people together. It's a phenomenon that we've seen throughout our entire life, and it allows us to feel, and that's what we're delivering. We're delivering that experience that allows you to feel something.
Audio in itself really invokes a lot of memories and a lifestyle too. Good audio amplifies whatever's happening currently in the house, in that person's life, and we want to be a part of that, not distract from it.
The easiest way you can tell is when you hear bad audio. For example, if you go out to a restaurant or somewhere with your family and there's some crappy speakers and they're playing like really distorted or high-pitched music that makes you feel like your ears are going to bleed, that's all you can think about, that's all you can hear. But then when you get in an experience where there's good or great audio, it just blends in seamlessly with the environment and enhances the experience.
We want to build systems that also create a lifestyle that make life easier, make life simple, and just really add to what's going on. I remember doing the installs and back in my day, and you could spend a lot of money on carpet and on cabinetry, and they appreciate it. But I always remember how much fun it was to be able to turn that home theater on or those speakers on outside, and you'd see that big smile of that homeowner's face.
TruAudio provides solutions to help solve the problems of today's installations. And when we look back into where those come from, they're going to come from the integrators faced with tight timelines, with complex installations, and with getting it done right the first time.
The birth of TruAudio came from how can we make installers' lives easier, and building products that are based around actually in-field applications. A lot of us in this company came from installs.
These guys in July, they're climbing up through an attic, pulling wire, standing up on a 15-foot ladder, putting in-ceiling speakers in a vaulted ceiling. And anything that we can do to make that process quicker and easier for those guys is what we strive to achieve.
How do we keep improving? Well, I think for me, it's always keeping an open mind about what's happening. As soon as I hear somebody say this is just how it's always been done, that's a red flag to me. A lot of times stuff looks really good on paper, and if you're an engineer, it looks good on your screen, but it doesn't translate to a very good execution of a product out in the field. And I think that's why it's important to listen to the people that are out there day in and day out, and being able to understand the challenges that they have.
We bring prototypes, ideas of new products, new designs that we've come up with, and run them past as many of our customers and dealers as we can, so they can help us to pick up things that we potentially missed. And it always ends up making the product better.
So utilizing that feedback, working together internally, coming up with the solutions, and finding ways through to be able to be successful with our integrators are key points in how we do this.
The thing that makes us stand out is we have been, for the entire time that we've been in business, our main focus has been customer service. We try to cater to our dealers and distributors as much as we can. You're always going to get a live person on the phone when you call in. You're always going to be able to access tech support quickly, get answers to your questions.
The relationships matter to us, and when we put that as a focus, we can't go wrong with what we develop, how we serve, or where we show up.
We know there are a lot of options out there with a lot of competitors, and the relationships that we bond and we build with our customers, they're almost like family.
Working side by side with our dealers, working with our partners and our distributors, and seeing the success that they're seeing, that's what brings excitement.
If you come to our headquarters, you hear the word innovation thrown around quite a bit, and we've put a large focus on any new product that we come out with. How can we be innovative and help the dealers to be better at their job?
The products that we make are going to be in somebody's house for years and years. And we're trying to create a lifestyle for that person. I've told our team that I would put our products up against anybody's out there.
We want to be known for how we treat people, how we work with people, and if we provided value in doing that.
People don't buy a speaker just for a speaker, they build it for an experience. And with our synergy with Vessel, I think that's what really is one of the unique aspects of our company, Sound Vision, is that now we can create one simple system that works. And that's what we are building with TruAudio, Vessel, and even with our sister company Alta, is that cohesive system that makes life better.
I would say over the next 5 to 10 years, we will continue to expand, get new products, better products, more innovative products, and service the CI industry into the future.
That's a wrap.